Here we go again, guys. We are on 3-8 today. Hope you're having a great day so far. And we are continuing with our 3-digit addition. And the only change is we're going to solve the problem. We are not going to draw the picture with the proof drawing. So, hooray, right? And I'm going to have you just go ahead and draw lines across right now because that is going to be where I am going to show my work. All right, we will do a couple together. You can see that when we get down to the bottom that we're going to need to write them vertically because they did not write them vertically. So we'll talk about that. We are also crossing off the proof drawing there. Okay, so just solving. All right, let's look at our first story problem. Delia guessed that there were 534 beans in a jar. When the contest ended, the beans were counted. There were 252 more beans than she guessed. How many beans were in the jar? All right, we did talk about the fact that these are all addition today. So you can go ahead and just write that up there. That will help you. And we're going to use our white space on the side to write our problems as neatly as we can. The neater that you line up your numbers, it will be easier for you, okay? All right. And because we're doing addition, it does not matter which number I put the numbers in. I always like to put the big number on top. That's just what I do, okay? But if you wanted to flip those around, you could. All right, here we go. We are ready to add. We always add first. We start in our ones. So 4 plus 2, count up, 6. 5 plus 3, 6, 7, 8. And 5 plus 2, 6, 7. 786. And I take my answer. I move it neatly over to the line. I like it when people send me their math and it's really neat. And I see the word after the many is beans. And I am done with that one. Okay? So you're going to do the same thing for number 2 and 3. And then down at the bottom, we need to write them vertically. And I always, if you're adding numbers that have like one of the numbers has 3 digits and the other one has 2, definitely want to put the big one on top there. And then make sure when you write your 69 that you are moving it over and putting it in the correct spot, okay? Over here, 459 plus 265. And once again, I have a 3-digit and a 2-digit, so I'm going to put the 3-digit on top and make sure to move my 99 over and draw my line, okay? So I think you guys, that will be I think that will go well with you today. Just make sure that you're always underlining, okay? And you can always circle your label too, okay? All right, so finish those up as neat as you can and then meet me on the back side when you are ready. This page looks very, very similar to yesterday, doesn't it? We've got a little review up at the top with our multiply and divide. Getting pretty good at that. Maybe you're not even using your chart. Okay, and that's this section right here. And then we've got a story problem, number 7. Okay, that one is either going to be times or divide. You figure that out. And we never do the proof drawing, so almost every time, I'm pretty sure I'll remember to say that, but we are not doing the proof drawing. So we're just solving, just using the numbers. All right, and it looks like we are going to have extra credit down here. Remember on number, I like to draw a line right here. That way you have room to show your work for number 8, and then you can take number 9, and you have extra white space right here to go ahead and write that one, okay? Easy peasy, right? And then I have room for number 8. We could read that one together. Jared and Rachel are playing a video game. Jared has 463 points. Rachel has 329 points. How many points do they have all together? Whenever I see all together, plus, right? So I'll go over here. I've got my white space. and write that as neat as I can. And remember, let's see, yep, I think you'll be good on number 7. Remember, for number 7, you have to write the equation, okay? Write the equation and then don't forget your label. All right, guys, I think we're good for today. Thanks.